Hello, my beautiful friends. Come sit with me under the tall trees, because tonight I want to tell you a very special African story. My name is Kinyuy, and I am an African princess. Let me tell you why, in Africa, we say that the tortoise is wise.
Long ago, in a peaceful African forest, all the animals lived together in harmony.
The lion was strong, the antelope was fast, the elephant was big, and the tortoise? Well, the tortoise was small, slow, and quiet.
Some animals laughed at him. "Why do you walk so slowly?" they asked. "You will never get anywhere," they said. But the tortoise only smiled. One day, the animals heard exciting news. "There will be a great feast," shouted the parrot from the trees. "The king of the forest has invited everyone. Whoever arrives early will get the best food."
Ooh, wow.
The animals became very excited. The antelope ran, the rabbit hopped, the deer leaped.
And the tortoise? He started walking slowly. The animals laughed again. "Tortoise, you will arrive when the feast is over," they teased. But the tortoise did not rush. He did not complain. He kept walking calmly, step by step. As the animals rushed ahead, they did not notice the sky growing dark.
Suddenly, boo! Rain poured heavily. The river swelled and flooded the path.
The fast animals were trapped. They panicked. "How will we cross?" they cried. That was when the tortoise arrived.
He stopped.
He looked carefully, and then he spoke. "Let us not rush," said the tortoise. "Let us think." The animals were surprised.
The small tortoise giving advice?
The tortoise noticed floating logs and strong vines nearby. They worked together patiently, slowly, carefully, and soon they crossed the river safely. When they arrived at the feast, the king of the forest smiled. "Tortoise," the king said, "today you have shown us true wisdom." The king placed the best food before the tortoise, not because he was fast, not because he was strong, but because he was wise. From that day on, the animals stopped laughing at the tortoise. They learned that wisdom does not run. Wisdom thinks, wisdom waits, wisdom listens. And now, my friends, this is what I, Kinyuy, want you to remember. Being slow does not mean you are weak. Being quiet does not mean that you are foolish. Thinking before acting is wisdom. Working together makes us stronger. Respecting everyone, young or old, matters. Now, my friends, what did you learn today? Yes, Binta, what did you learn?
I learned that stories are important.
Yes, they connect us all. And what about you, Kofi? What did you learn?
That we should not laugh at our friends. Yes, we should never laugh at anybody, especially if it makes them feel bad.
This forest is so magical, with the sunlight dancing on the path. It makes my heart feel so happy. These are the values I stand for: respect for elders and one another. Patience and wisdom. Confidence in who you are. Unity and kindness. Pride in our African identity. Never rush to be like others. Walk at your own pace. Think with your heart, and always be proud of who you are. Good night, my beautiful friends. I am Kinyuy, and this is the magic of Africa.